You can make money online only with copy-paste strategy. We'll use the power of YouTube Shorts and AI to collect caches. And the best part is that you don't need any skills. You're probably wondering what our AI tool is for today. Well, this awesome game-changing AI tool when it comes to creating top-notch videos for all your favorite social media platforms. What sets Pictory apart is its unparalleled ease of use. Even if you are a complete beginner without any video production skills, this tool has helped you. With a wide variety of templates and customization options to choose from, you can make your videos thoroughly unique by choosing different formats, adding images and graphics, and including audio, subtitles, and text overlays, equipment or technical skills to use it. All you need is your computer or a smartphone and an internet connection, and your script takes care of the rest using its powerful AI algorithms to produce a fully formed video that meets your need. It doesn't matter if you are a business owner looking to create promotional content or a social media influencer trying to increase engagement with your followers. Pictory has you covered with a quick and easy video creation process. So let me show you exactly how you can use this tool to make money. You must register at this page. For this, you enter the Pictory site and you need to create an account. To make things easier, I will introduce you a referral code that you can use. When you sign up on the homepage, look for the Start Free button and click on it. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter your email name and create your password. You can even sign up with your Gmail account. If after filling your information, press the Continue button to complete the registration process. In this step, you need to explain your purpose of creating the video. You can choose personal projects, or you can choose the option that suits you. At this stage, you can choose the first option. At this stage, you should provide a professional description. Here you can choose the first option. By pressing the Submit button, your account is created easily. After creating an account, you have 4 choices, but go to the video script tool. Here is the real magic. Here you can type your creative ideas to showcase your unique self, voice, and style. But don't think about how I can write a script that stands out and captures the attention of my audience well. I've got some tips and tricks to share next that will help you create a script that grabs your audience attention and keeps them interested throughout the stage of your videos. Now is the time to check out the Writesonic website to help you create great content. It's an AI-powered tool that can quickly generate high-quality articles for you. When you visit the Writesonic website, you will see a variety of tools designed to help you create content. But for our step on, we focus on AI essay writing tool. All of them are very easy to use. You need to put your ideas into the script. Writesonic will create a complete article based on your text. Let's say you're creating video on how to make a chocolate cupcake at home. Just follow the easy to follow instruction on the website. It gives you keyword ideas and an introduction to an outline and a finished article. So easy, all you have to do is sit back and let Writesonic do the rest. Now that you have your script ready, turn it into a video. To turn it into a stunning video using AI-based video certification creation tool, this tool allows you to create a professional looking video quickly and easily without the need for complicated video editing software or technical skills. Click continue to move forward. Pictory asks you to choose a video template from a wide variety of options and spend your time browsing through them to find the one that best suits your video content and style. Then you have to choose the described video aspect ratio for short form content is 19:16. So keep this in mind when choosing your template. After choosing your template and aspect ratio, click continue and wait for Pictory's work its magic in just a few minutes. Video based on your script and format selections, you can preview your video and make any necessary changes or edits. Pictory provides you with various editing options, so don't worry if you're not completely satisfied with the finished product right away. You can add extras, this image, audio, subtitle, and more to your video to make it unique.